My name is Nuranira Najihah binti Azaman. My matrix number 14DKA23F1098. Today, I want to share about compound angle. Compound angle are angles made by adding two other angles together. When using trigonometry, unfortunately, cannot just time out the trigonometric function but have to use an identity. This post will consider how to get the identity for sin A plus B. For example, sin A plus B equal sin A cos B plus sin B cos A. We have three formula for compound angle. First, cos A plus minus B equal cos A cos B minus plus sin A sin B. Second, sin A plus minus B equal to sin A cos B plus aims objective of this trigonometric function, equation, and identities. Trigonometric functions are used in obtaining unknown angles and distance from known or measured angles in geometric figures. Trigonometric equation is an equation involving one or more trigonometric ratio of unknown angle and deals with the relationship between the length and angle of the side of triangle. Trigonometric identities are the equalities that involve trigonometric function and hold true for all the value of variables given in the equation.
My name is Mama Adam Harid and I will be solving this question. Okay, so first we need to change it into the formula cos quadrant plus cos quadrant cos 75 minus sin quadrant sin 75 equal to negative cos quadrant. Okay, next we gotta solve it. So cos quadrant cos 75 0.2588 minus sin quadrant sin 75 0.9659 equal plus cos quadrant equal to 0. So we just gotta multiply it and it will become 0.2588 cos quadrant minus 0.9659 sin quadrant plus cos quadrant equal to 0. So we got to plus it and it will become 1.25 1.2588 cos quadrant minus 0.9659 sin quadrant. So next step is we're gonna use this formula tan equal to sin per cos. So we got to put it inside it, so it become tan quadrant sin 0.9659 per cos 1.2588. Then we're just gonna divide it 0.9569 659 divided 1.2588. Okay, so it become tan quadrant equal to 0.7673. Then we're gonna reverse this tan, so it will become tan reverse 0.673 tan reverse, so it become 37.5. Okay, so this is our first quadrant. Okay, next step is we need to have all of the quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Okay, for the quadrant 1 we have this 37.5. This is our quadrant 1. Next step, how do you get quadrant 2 is you need to minus it. So quadrant 2 equal to 180 minus 37.5. You will get 37.5 142.5. This is our quadrant 2. 142 around here. This is our quadrant 2. Quadrant 3, you need to plus it. 180 plus 37.5. Plus 37.5. You will get 217.5. 117.5. This is our quadrant 3. Okay, quadrant 4. You need to minus it, so it will be 360 minus 37.5. 360 minus 37.5. That will become 322.5. Okay. Okay, this is our quadrant 4. Okay, that's how you solve this question.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Raja Mihuzal Aiman Putra bin Raja Muhammad Khaldun. My matrix number is 14DKA23F1032. By using compound angle formula, solve sin 75 degree. So, firstly, 75 degree equal 30 degree plus 45 degree. I use this formula. Sin A plus B equal sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Just fill in the A and B, and you can get sin 30 plus 45 equal sin 30 cos 45 plus cos 30 and sin 45. And then we'll calculate. I got 1 over 2 times 1 over square root 2 plus 1 over 2 times 1 over square root 2. And then I get 1 over 2 square root 2 plus square root 3 over 2 square root 2, and then I calculate. I get 1 plus square root 3 over 2 square root 2 times 2 over 2. The final answer is square root 3, 1 plus square root 3 over 4. Okay, thank you.
My name is Rubini and I'm from Global Survey. Now I want to explain about question 2. We choose since x plus 60 equal to 2 cos x. We need to choose formula of compound angle addition. Sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. A is x and B is 60. So, sin x cos 60 plus cos x sin 60 equal to 2 cos x. Cos 60 is 0.5 and 60 is 0.866. Therefore, will be 0.5 since x plus 0.866 cos x equal to 2 cos x. After that, we transfer that 0.866 cos x at the back and it will be 0.5 sin x equal to 2 cos x minus 0.866 cos x. Final result for cos is 1.134 cos x. We also need to change 0.5 at the back and 1.134 to in front. So it will be since x equal to 1.134 and cos x equal to 0.5. To get the next formula, we need to take one-time identities tan theta equal to sin theta per cos theta. So tan x equal to 1.134 and 0.5. So we get tan x 2.268. We get tan positive at quadrant 1 and 3. After that, if we need the answer, you must transfer tan x equal to tan negative 1 bracket 2.268. So we get x equal to 66.21 degree. Lastly, for the quadrant 1 is 66.21 degree and quadrant 3 is 180 plus 66.21 degree. So the final answer is 246.21 degree. Thank you. My name is Rubini and I'm from Global Survey. Now I want to explain about question 2. We choose since x plus 60 equal to 2 cos x. We need to choose formula of compound angle addition sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. A is x and B is 60. So sin x cos 60 plus cos x sin 60 equal to 2 cos x. Cos 60 is 0.5 and 60 is 0.866. Therefore will be 0.5 since x plus 0.866 cos x equal to 2 cos x. After that, we transfer that 0.866 cos x at the back and it will be 0.5 sin x equal to 2 cos x minus 0.866 cos x. Final result for cos is 1.134 cos x. We also need to change 0.5 at the back and 1.134 to in front. So it will be since x equal to 1.134 and cos x equal to 0.5. To get the next formula, we need to take one-time identities tan theta equal to sin theta per cos theta. So tan x equal.
Lastly, summary or conclusion. Which of the fundamental trigonometric concept has been applied in your trigonometry in measuring distance from the building? Trigonometric function. B means distance. A means height or time. Therefore, to calculate B, distance, we need to know the value of A, height, and angle. Tan is a trigonometric function which you should be able to find a decent calculator. What are the impact of trigonometry being applied in everyday life problems? What are the impact of trigonometry being applied in everyday life problems? It is used in geography to measure the distance between landmarks, in astronomy to measure the distance of nearby stars, and also in the satellite navigation system. That's all from us. Thank you.